Hi guys, welcome back to our channel JayNJoy. Hope you're doing well. Please join me today as we unbox these solar lights that we got from Tk Maxx. And mind you, they're all half price. So we'll start with this one. This is the Mega Spiralite Rainbow. It was £13, but we only got it for £7, so not bad. Looks like a nest. Colorful. And then the next one is this LED solar lights again. This is the black bollard light, 3 pieces in them. Originally £10, but we managed to get it for £5. Another good buy. And the last one is Martello garden light, 3 pieces as well. And this one was originally £20, but we managed to get it for 10. Let's open up the first one. One has 45 multicolored LEDs. It should be really pretty at night. There you go. So let's have a look. It looks like you can hang it on post, parasol, stuff like that. And oh, there you go. Looks like a spring. It's a really bright and sunny day today, so I'm hoping we'll be able to set this up and we can see the effects of it and how it looks like at night. I'm excited for these. Look at this. So that's the first one. Second one is the bollard light, 3 of them. Okay. So that's the one. It's made of plastic. It's 7 centimeter wide and 28 centimeter from top to bottom. It looks pretty nice as well. It looks like there's some sort of metallic thing at the bottom, so the light which is up there reflects down and then gives more light. And I believe, yeah, this is the spike. So it'll be like this when it's on the ground, and then you have the whole thing up. You just have to remove the orange tab you can see in the inside. I think you can, yeah, that's it. So once you remove that one, by the way, the spike is made of plastic as well, but it looks pretty okay. Last but not the least, we have the Martello Garden Light 3-pack, 3 pieces. So this one actually says it is 5 lumens, as you can see over there. So pretty bright, hopefully. And the good thing with this one is it's glass and metal. So a bit of an upgrade from the last one, which is all plastic. This one feels a lot heavier, more solid. This one looks a lot bigger and taller. Okay, so the stake is plastic as well, but pretty sturdy. So this is the metal bit, metal, and this is glass. So I think you just place it like that, put it on the ground, and okay, just goes there. So we have to charge it, and we'll see how it is. So this is the length of this thing. It's a lot bigger. So I managed to open this up. It's actually just a twist motion. There you go. There's the LED. Again, you just have to remove this tab to make sure that the contact of the battery is on. And then it's, yeah, it all goes down there. And that's it. Those are our solar lights. I hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing video. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, click the bell icon so you get updated every time we post a new video. See you next time. Bye-bye. Here they are. So what we did is place the solar lights alternating. So you got the black there, the metal, the black, and so forth and so on. Hopefully they'll look nice at night. So still a few more hours before it gets dark, and we'll try and get the clip later. Hello guys, so now it's about it's almost 9 o'clock in the evening. Medyo maliwanag pa. Pero ito, nag-activate yung solar lights natin. So yeah, it's pretty nice, not bad. There's the small ones and then the 3 big ones, plus the one in the middle, the colored ones. We'll see if we can wait a little bit more until it's completely dark.